Hi, I'm Adam Hawkins. We're here today at my studio, Acacia Sound in Thousand Oaks, California, and we're going to deconstruct the mix of Chlorine by 21 Pilots.
Sipping on straight chlorine.
I knew what they were looking for by the time I got this song, and I also was comfortable with how the files were getting to me, and it was a pretty smooth process by that point. It's more about pulling the emotion out of the sound that's there. It's already a great sound and a great part, but adding this length and decay to it, it just adds another layer of feeling to it. Listening on its own doesn't make a lot of sense, but definitely in the group of all the drums, it's helping make room for one of the other sounds that's happening whenever this is being cut. It's kind of a typical thing for me to use an SSL style compressor on a drum to enhance the attack. I don't want to take away what vibe a client already has going from the rough mix. I just want to be able to make it more technically correct and make sure that those little snaps and pops coming from saliva or a loud breath doesn't distract you from the song. I can't add an instrument, that's not my role here, I'm mixing, so I am adding an effect to kind of fill in the gaps again, like I did on the chorus. It's just a cool sound effect, like headphone ear candy kind of thing. It's all these tiny little things that I've learned over the years, that this gives me 2% of this, and this gives me 2% of that, and then this is 5% of that, and that's a big part of figuring out how to do this all in the box.
Maker, I despise you sometimes. I love to hate the fight, and you in my life is like sipping on straight chlorine.